Hello everyone, welcome back to this Easy Sewing channel. If you like easy sewing projects, you just need to hit the subscribe button because we have easy sewing projects every week. Today I will guide you step by step through this lovely daily shoulder bag. Look at this beauty! I have made it on the easiest way, but if you want, you can apply another zipper pocket here or a lining pocket inside. And of course, if you would like to see that version, you just need to comment on the comments below so I can make an update of this daily shoulder bag project. I use faux leather, but you can use any kind of fabric. You just need to follow the steps of this video. So let's stop talking and let's make this beauty! To make our day shoulder bag project, we are going to need a strap. You can make your own or you can buy it. I bought this one on eBay. You are going to need 2 pieces of fabric measuring 6 centimeters per 12 centimeters. What I have done was I found the middle here. I folded the edges to the middle. You can glue it or put some double tape on it in this area here. When you fold it, it's going to help you. And after that, you will have something like this. And you will top stitch here and here, and then you will have this result here. Okay, so for that you will need 2 D-rings and a zipper measuring 35 centimeters and 2 pieces of fabric, one for the lining fabric and another one for the main fabric, measuring 40 centimeters per 30 centimeters. Now I'm going to start to top stitch this. Like this. Now we are going to make our pattern. It's very easy. You are going to fold the fabric in half. And then we are going to measure 3 centimeters here and here. You are going to make a square of 3 centimeters here and here. This will be the bottom of our shoulder bag. And here on the top, we will make squares of 2 centimeters. And here on the 2 centimeter square, that's where we are going to apply our zipper on the top. So let's do it. So on the top, where the squares are of 2 centimeters, we are going to open our zipper. So this is the front of the zipper, facing front of the fabric, like this. And we are going to sew it here. And we are going to do the same thing here. Like this. And now we are going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we have our zippers applied. We are going to get our lining fabric. We are going to face the right side to the right side of the main fabric. We are going to match these edges. And then we are going to sew it here and here. It's very important, everything is matching. Now we are going to fold our piece around. And now we are going to top stitch here and here. Like this. Now in the other side. All done. Now we are going to apply our zipper head. So it's very important. This is all aligned, okay? I'm going to cut a little bit of the teeth of the zipper, and then I'm going to apply the zipper head. You needed to take it out, and now we are going to apply it again. So now we are going to turn our piece around. Make sure the zipper is closed. And we are going to separate the lining fabric from the main fabric. So before you asked, this rectangle black one, I glue it. Is like a EVA, I believe it's called like this. And why I glued this here, this is the bottom of our shoulder bag, and I thought with no structure the bottom will be too soft. So to give some resistance, I just glued this on the bottom. But you can do all the projects the same way without this. So with this, you will follow all the steps. Now you need to align all the fabrics together, all the edges. After everything is aligned, we are going to close all our sides, leaving an open gap on one side of the lining fabric. Now all edges are closed. Now we are going to start to close our bottoms here. So you are just going to pull this, and now we are going to make a suture here, and we are going to do the same thing on this side. Now we are going to close the bottom of our lining fabric as well, and we are going to do the same thing. Open, match the edges and make a suture. Now our bottoms are closed. Now we are going to close on the top. So for that, we are going to open here, do the same thing here. So this suture here, this seam needs to be on the middle of our zipper. I'm going to clip it, and we are going to do the same thing on the lining fabric. Clip it like this, and now we are going to get our handles. We did it before, and we are going to put them inside around 2 fingers. Like this. Now we are going to make a suture here. Make sure you get all the layers. Now we can trim off. Now we are going to do the same thing on this side. Now we have all sewn on our open gap. We are going to open the zipper. Now we are going to turn our piece around. Now we need to bring our open gap here, the edges inside, and let's suture this. Now I will show you all the results. Our shoulder bag is all done now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this idea, please don't forget to give us your thumbs up and turn the notifications on so you can be notified for the next easy sewing project video. And you, I will see you on the next video.